My name is Navjot, and in this video we will cover the top session number 1 of unit number 2, that is Electronic Spreadsheet Advance. So the topic we are going to cover is consolidate data. Let's see what it is. So here I have a OpenOffice Calc sheet in which I have two tables in which there are marks of 3 students are present. Marks for the month of May, June, July, and again for the next year marks of the May, June, July. So what I want to do is I want to combine these two tables into one. So I want to combine marks of Navjot for year 2018 and 19. For that you can use consolidate data. In the previous video we have learned how we can create a name range. So you can go and watch that first. First we'll create a name range for this table. A2 to A5 will be marks 1, and this second table will be marks 2. In the name box just type the name of the name range and it will create a name range for you. Now I want to combine these two tables. Go to data on your menu bar, then consolidate. Which function do you want to apply? I want to sum. Source of your data. What is the source of your data? We just now created two ranges, name marks 1 and marks 2. We will select those. I want to add these two name ranges. So how do you want to combine them? They should be combined by rows, columns, and link to source data. We will later discuss what link to source data is and show these results to in this column. Press OK. As you can see, OpenOffice Calc combined these tables for me. So marks of Navjot, the first student number 1, was 49 plus 49, which should be 98 for the month of May, and in the June it should be 56 plus 56, 112. So what OpenOffice Calc did, it combined these two tables for you. It doesn't matter if these two tables were present in two different sheets. It didn't matter if they were present in sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. We would have combined. Even then they can be combined by using consolidating data. Let me enlarge it for you. See, these tables have been combined by using consolidate. Let's discuss what link to source data was. Let's say somebody made changes in your original source data. The marks of the students were increased. So if you have selected that checkbox in consolidating data, if you make changes in the source of your data, it will make changes in the resultant table. Let's increase the marks by 2. It should be 51. And see, the marks of student number 1 Navjot will be increased by 2. If I make changes here, 51 plus 49, 100. So marks were changed in the resultant table. So this was all about how you can use consolidating data in OpenOffice Calc.